Pranab Mukherjee is believed to have gone to meet Baba Ramdev. It's nothing short of a red carpet for Baba Ramdev. Finance Minister will meet him ahead of his fast unto death. Now, we're also given to understand that Minister Subodh Khan Sahai will receive Baba Ramdev at the airport. This is the big breaking news we're tracking at this hour.
Absolutely. This is not the first time that the government has, in a way, tried to send an emissary to Baba Ramdev. In the past, also twice, two emissaries were sent to Baba Ramdev just to convince him so that he does not go on his planned fast unto death from the 4th of June. His demands are related to bringing back black money which has been stashed in tax havens abroad.
Vasu's on the phone line with us. Vasu, the government now willing to send an emissary to Baba Ramdev. Let's go across to Nandita now. Nandita, the government making it clear that they are taking the fast seriously, sending a senior minister. We'll try and get back to Nandita on the phone line, but this is the big breaking news coming in. Government really saying that they are taking Baba Ramdev's proposed fast unto death seriously. A senior minister will be sent to meet Baba Ramdev shortly to try and convince him to call off his fast unto death planned on June 4th.
Well, this comes after Prime Minister's direct appeal to Baba Ramdev to not go on a fast. In an appeal to him yesterday, the Prime Minister wrote that we are eager to work with you and members of civil society towards building a just and prosperous India. I hope that you will now reverse your decision to go on a hunger strike unto death. So earlier, two emissaries were sent to Baba Ramdev to convince him to not go on a fast unto death. And yesterday came a direct appeal by the Prime Minister, and today Senior Cabinet Minister Pranab Mukherjee will be meeting Baba Ramdev.
In fact, this morning, rejecting Prime Minister Manmohan Singh's appeal to call off his fast, the Yoga Guru had asked people to join him in his campaign against corruption. Nandita on the phone line now. Nandita, the government's emissary believed to be meeting Baba Ramdev later today.
Well, the government has made it quite clear over the past 1 week or so that they don't want a repeat of the scenes that we saw at Jantar Mantar about a month back when Anna Hazare's movement gained so much momentum that the government was really caught on the back foot and in a state where it had to agree to terms and conditions that it was unwilling to officially. And I think that's perhaps the main reason why they're attacking this problem that they see in Ramdev's fast head on. There have been talks, between bureaucrats, between the CBDT chairman and Baba Ramdev. There have been attempts from the government to explain to him the issue of black money, and that momentum is being kept up by the government. In fact, it's quite unprecedented that ministers have actually landed up at the airport to receive Baba Ramdev, who's expected to land up shortly in Delhi. He is expected to be here in sometime in the afternoon. Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee has made it clear that he is planning to meet Baba Ramdev. So the government doesn't want to leave any stone unturned to make sure that Ramdev, goes back or agrees to the government's demand to give up his decision to go on this fast that he's planning to start from the 4th of June.
Right, Nandita, how significant is the fact that today Pranab Mukherjee will be meeting Baba Ramdev to dissuade him from going ahead with the fast, coming as it does after Baba Ramdev struck a completely different pose from the Anna team insofar as the inclusion of the Prime Minister in the ambit of the Lokpal is concerned?
When many see that statement of Baba Ramdev, the fact that he's taken a different view from the Anna Hazare camp on the issue of including the Prime Minister in the ambit of the Lokpal bill, many saw that as some sort of mellowing down from Baba Ramdev, who's being seen by the government at least as a major threat now, and his fast is also being seen as a major threat, and that's why the government is going completely all out to convince him. Otherwise, they're trying to pacify him. It looks to be a government which is extremely worried about the repercussions if Baba Ramdev sits on a fast from June 4th, which he's planning to. That's why, in fact, he has been perhaps requested to come in a day or two earlier. We understand that there will be a series of meetings. Remember, it is unprecedented that ministers are actually receiving Baba Ramdev. It perhaps shows how worried the government is, how much on a back foot it really feels it is in the face of this threat Baba Ramdev's fast is looking to be for the government. So ministers, as we speak, at the airport right now to receive Baba Ramdev along with some PMO officials, and then Finance Minister meeting him sometime in the afternoon later are of course all indications that the government doesn't want to take another chance and have another issue like the one it saw on the Lokpal bill with Anna Hazare's fast at hand once again.